my favorite method has always been and is still trend following. And so most of my account and most of my wealth building is in trend following systems. So my favorite trend following system in the Australian market right now is quite a long-term system. So it takes very few trades. I'm looking for a very long-term breakout, several hundred days, new highest high. So the stock is very clearly going up. I trade low volatility stocks because they tend to trend much better. If you have a high volatility stock, the trend is like this. If you have a low volatility stock, the trend is a bit more like that. So low volatility stocks combined with a trend following system tends to outperform the market. I'll have a very wide stop loss. One of the mistakes I made early on was thinking that I had a tight stop loss to limit my risk. But the trouble is, the tighter your stop loss, the more often it gets hit. And I found in my testing over the years in many different markets that you can get a smoother account growth by having a wider stop loss. So I have quite a wide stop loss. It's depending on which system, it's in the vicinity of 4 to 6 times the average true range, which is quite wide by most people's standards. And a very long-term trailing exit. So I use a long-term moving average as an exit. And so that basically gets you into a stock that's going up and it'll just ride it for as long as the trend is up.